Braun KF7070 BrewSense Drip Glass Coffee Maker, 12 cup, stainless steel. The perfect cup of Coffee Braun's pure flavor technology ensures your coffee is made at the right temperature and brewing time to extract the best coffee flavor and aroma. Expect excellent results, whether you brew a full pot or choose the 1/4-cup setting. Wake up to a fresh pot. A programmable 24-hour timer means your coffee will be ready when you are. The auto shutoff feature will turn it off automatically, and the easy-to-read clock is visible from anywhere in your kitchen. Rich flavor anytime. The brewpause system lets you pour a cup anytime during the brew cycle without dripping. Plus, the 12-cup flavor carafe seals in the fresh flavor by minimizing air exposure. Your coffee airway, a unique water level indicator, lets you brew an 11-ounce mug or up to 12 cups of coffee. Smarter by design. The sleek, elegant design features a smaller footprint and lower profile, easy access control panel and convenient cord storage. Pure pleasure with every sip. The Braun Gold Tone filter, unlike paper, enhances the flavor of your coffee by allowing essential oils to reach your cup. A charcoal filter purifies brewing water, and a cleaning feature can be customized to different water hardness levels. Included components: charcoal water filter. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.